Hi everyone, I am 3D artist Alex Filvet, and today I want to show you how to improve your render. First of all, let's open our Photoshop. At the end we should get this result. But at first you should download a plugin for your Photoshop, Nick Collection, right here. And now let's start actually. Let's duplicate our layer. Okay. And let's add to this layer filter, Nick Collection, Analog FX Pro. You can see some filters, but for this render I want to choose this 7th filter. Here you can see parameters, you can play with it, but for this render I just want to change the value for dirt, maybe something like this. Okay, so you can see the difference. But right now I want to add some details on my wooden part because it looks quite flat, I think. So for that I already download a wooden texture from internet. You can actually download any texture what you want, not exactly this texture. Let's change our opacity and put our texture with Ctrl T, scale a little bit, and put our texture on our wooden part actually. Let's turn it and put something like maybe like this. Okay, let's turn it off. And right now we should actually choose our wooden parts with this tool, quick selection tool. Let's choose this brush and let's start. I already made a selection, and now we should return our wooden texture. And choose add a mask right here. And now we should find filter, stylize and emboss, and change this value something like this. Let's delete this. No. And again, mask, choose this, filter, stylize, emboss, yeah, and something like this. Okay, and let's change our layer from normal to overlay. It looks quite hard. Let's change our opacity, maybe something like this. Okay, looks not bad, but I want to add more details for this, and let's duplicate our layer and put it to the top. And put it to the top, and again let's filter, stylize, emboss, and let's choose value something about this, and again change normal to overlay, and let's maybe something like this. Okay. And now I think that handle of this knife quite bright, and I want to change it with the tool Vibrance. And you can see the difference right here. And let's put a value something about, yeah, like this. Okay. Also we can add a 3D effect. For this, let's duplicate our layers and yeah. Yeah, that's all. And right now let's convert it to smart object. Yeah, and let's find filter and lens correction. Let's choose custom, and let's change these values to -45, +45, and -26. You can actually play with these values and made it in your own way. Let's click OK. And right now, here, you can see this 3D effect actually. And right now I want to share with you my new project. This is a fan art on a character from Apex Legends Pathfinder. If you're interested, you can find me in Facebook or Instagram. Here you can look at my process of creation of this robot. I decided to make it in my own way, and actually also you can find here my another projects, and also they have a full process of creation. So feel free and find my links below this video, follow my Instagram, and let's be friends on Facebook. And right now, that's all. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.